What should you eat if you're Vata Dosha? If you're Vata, you're probably experiencing some characteristics like dryness, coldness, roughness, agitation. You can see them in your skin, in your hair, in nails that break easily, in digestion problems like bloating, in elimination issues like constipation. So it's very important that we follow a diet that is anti-Vata. An anti-Vata diet has the opposite characteristics of Vata. So Ayurveda teaches us that like increases like. We should avoid anything that is resembling of Vata, like dry foods. For example, bread is a food that we should stay away if we want to diminish the dryness characteristic in our bodies. So the foods that we have to eat have to be moist, have to be heavy, have to be sweet, nurturing, and that's a food that's going to serve us, that's going to improve our digestion and our elimination, and we will see changes even in our skin. So that's super important to notice. Also in the link down below, I have a guide on how to eat for your Vata Dosha. I have the instructions, the meal plans, the shopping list, the recipes, and it's for free. It's 7 days. You can start eating Ayurvedically with that meal plan. It's super complete. You're going to see the results within days on your elimination, your skin, your digestion. And that's very important to eat the foods that are right for you, but it's also super necessary to make some changes to the ways you eat. So for example, it's key to add some regularity to your lifestyle, and you can start doing that by setting a time for your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner every day, and respecting those times. That's very important because Vata Dosha is diminished by that regularity, that routine, and sometimes it's easier said than done, but you can start maybe just with breakfast times where you respect the time and you really sit down and have your breakfast. It's very normal for Vata people just not eat at regular times or not eat at all. So this is a very important rule. Another Ayurvedic rule is to avoid anything that's cold, that is raw, like salads or water with ice. That's definitely something that you should stay away from. Ayurvedic principle is that you should favor tastes that are sweet, sour, and salty. So we will see that these tastes are the most calming, the most nurturing, the most grounding. And today we will prepare a nice Ayurvedic classic recipe of oatmeal specifically for Vata Dosha. We will prepare it using oats. We will use chia seeds, coconut milk, and cinnamon. And every one of those ingredients has a characteristic that pacifies Vata Dosha. So let's see how that recipe is done. This is a recipe that you will find in the 7-day free meal plan for Vata Dosha. It's easy to make, it's easy to digest, and it's especially designed for people that are experiencing that dryness, that coldness, that roughness. The oats in this recipe add the heaviness, not as in heavy to digest, but is in helping you be grounded. Also, the coconut milk and the chia seeds are the moist that you need because we tend to get dry, and the cinnamon helps warming the digestive fire so you can digest the oatmeal much better. I'm just going to add a little bit of maple syrup. That's it. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions following the meal plan, and have a blessed day.